She tries to impress others. She's a show-off. He tries to fix conflicts. He's a peacemaker. She changes her personality to fit in. She's a chameleon. He talks all the time. He's a chatterbox. She spends a lot of time sitting and watching TV. She's a couch potato. He works all the time. He's a workaholic. She doesn't like to socialize at all. She's a loner. He loves reading. He's a bookworm. She acts like she knows everything, but she doesn't. She's a know-it-all. He travels a lot. He's a globetrotter.